Got most of the work done before I started this because it takes a while, and plus it's kind of meditative. So let's take a look and get this started. All right, let me just show you to make this simple. You just cut the corners off. And I'm recording this because the last time I done this, people want it more, they wanted to know how you do it, okay? So it's simple. It takes some time, but like I said, it's kind of meditative. And you just take the aloe and scrape it into the bowl. If we get some of the green, that's all right too, because we're gonna take care of that in a minute. Okay, so now I got to do each one of these like this after I cut them up. And then I'll get back with y'all again, okay? Okay, guys, pretty good harvest, huh? See all the chunks? And I got a little green in it. I just got to grind this all up now, which will take a little bit. So I'll be back with y'all again. Okay, I got that all done, y'all. Now, got a little foamy, I think. We're gonna take it over here to the sink and strain it. Get the green out. You can see a little bit of green in here floating around everywhere. So we wanna get that out. Okay, we'll let that strain. I'll be back with y'all again, okay? Okay, so I got it all blended up. I got it all strained out. All the green is out of it. I mixed some jojoba oil and some castor oil, a little bit in it. Also put some lemongrass, some peppermint, lavender, whichever one I'm feeling that keeps the bugs away here in Georgia. Them damn sand gnats. I mixed this. I pre-mixed the caper with a cup of water and heated it because I didn't want to mess with any of the benefits from the aloe. So I'm just gonna mix this in a little bit at a time, and it thickens it. So that you have a nice aloe that you can put on your skin and not feel all clumpy and that's it, guys. It's really that simple. It's not hard at all. I think we make things harder than what they should be, but I'd rather use my own stuff since I have a garden of aloe anyway than to buy the stuff that they put in the market, because who knows what's in that shit. All right, I'll see you later. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to let you know that I put another cup of Kappa and hot water in it. I also put all my essential oils in it to keep the bugs away here in Georgia. And I stuck it in the refrigerator for an hour, and it came out perfect. Good luck, y'all.